Hey, welcome. So, if you've ever tried to learn coding and just found the tutorials, well, a little on the dry side, then you're going to want to see this. Today we're looking at a totally different way to learn a really powerful web framework. Let's get into it.
You know the feeling, right? You're just staring at a screen, copying and pasting code, and you start to feel less like a creative developer and more like a machine. That grind is real. And honestly, it can make you feel like you're just mimicking steps instead of actually learning. It's a huge reason why so many people just stop. But what if learning to code wasn't a chore at all? What if instead it was this epic quest? That is the big idea we're diving into, how to turn the whole learning process from a slog into a genuine adventure. And that brings us to this thing called ArtisanForge. Now, this isn't just another website with video lessons. Nope. It's a fully gamified online platform designed to teach you Laravel, one of the most popular PHP frameworks out there, by making you the hero of your own story.
So your journey doesn't happen inside some boring, sterile code editor. It takes place in a fantasy world, the Realm of Codexia. And that's not just for show. This whole theme is what reframes every single challenge, every lesson, as a piece of a bigger, way more engaging story.
So instead of just completing exercises, you are literally embarking on quests. Instead of just fixing bugs, you're defeating these things called code gremlins. Every concept you learn is like a new spell or a new skill you've mastered in the ancient arts of web development. It's all about making the process feel important and, heroic. Okay, so what does this hero's journey actually look like in practice? Well, the path to becoming a master is laid out as a series of trials you have to face across different lands. Let's take a look at the curriculum. Your adventure takes you through the 10 kingdoms of Codexia, and each one is focused on a specific skill. You'll start out in Syntaxia to get your PHP fundamentals down, then you'll travel to Routenberg to learn all about routing, and then it's on to Bladeholm to build beautiful front ends. From the guarded gates of security to the API Forge for development, it's a complete full-stack journey. It's just cleverly disguised as an epic map that takes you all the way to LaunchKeep, which is where you finally deploy your applications.
And the sheer scale of this thing is pretty wild. We're talking 14 complete courses.
A whopping 226 distinct quests to solve. And a total of 173 individual lessons. So this isn't just some cute gimmick. There's a ton of seriously well-structured content packed in here.
Right, but every hero needs their tools and allies, right? You can't do it all on your own. This platform is built from the ground up to support you and help you succeed. Let's see how.
This is where the whole game idea really comes to life. As you finish quests, you earn experience points, XP, and you level up, just like in an RPG. You'll unlock new abilities, you'll get achievements and trophies, which makes your progress feel super tangible and rewarding. You can even join a specialized guild to focus your skills.
And joining a guild lets you specialize in what you find most interesting. Are you all about building the logic that runs behind the scenes? Well, you can join the Backend Guild. Fascinated by how data works? The Database Guild is for you. It lets you really tailor your own learning path, whether you're into front-end, security, or managing background jobs.
Now, every great hero has a mentor, right? A guide who helps them when they get stuck. But in the Realm of Codexia, your guide is probably not what you're expecting. Meet Pip the Owlox. This is your AI companion, but it's not some simple hint bot. Pip actually uses the Socratic method. That means it will never just give you the answer. Instead, it asks you these really smart, pointed questions to help you figure out the solution on your own. And this is so important because it teaches you how to think like a developer and solve problems, not just how to copy-paste a solution you found online.
So, after you've traveled through all 10 kingdoms, you've defeated all the code gremlins, and you've leveled up with Pip by your side, what's the end goal? Well, it's all about transformation. It's about earning the title of a true Laravel artisan. And now for what is maybe the most surprising part of this entire quest. All of it, every single course, every quest, all 10 of those kingdoms, your AI guide, the whole shebang, is completely 100% free. There's no catch, no paywall, no premium subscription. The entire journey to mastery is open to absolutely everyone.
So really, the only question left to ask is the one the platform itself asks you. Are you ready to stop just learning code and instead start forging your own legend?